Alright, so you have an iMac and it's booting up and you get a folder icon. So I'll show you the problem for real, and I'll show you how you can do a new Windows, new operating system, new macOS installed over the internet without any USBs, and it may recover your existing install if you're lucky, if the hard drive is not damaged, or you can install a fresh new copy by wiping the old hard disk. So here we go. You should get the folder icon come up. There we go. So this is the problem you're having, and I'll show you how you can fix it live. I'll take a quick photo. There we go. Now, what do you want to do? Turn the computer off. If you're using a Mac keyboard, you hold the Command Option R. On a Windows keyboard, Windows Alt R. So keep holding those three at the same time, Command Option R or Windows Alt R. Keep holding, press the power button until you hear a chime or the backlight comes on. You can let go. It's still in the computer to boot off the internet. Now, you can use the Wi-Fi connection or you can use the cable connection. Cable is always recommended if you're going to reinstall the operating system over the internet. It's much more faster and reliable. Or you can here connect your Wi-Fi. So for now, I've got the blue network cable connected. It should automatically skip and continue. Now let's wait for it. I won't fast forward the video because you can see what really happens, how long it takes, depending on your internet. Okay, now we're in. You can watch the previous video on resetting or formatting your hard drive, but this drive has already been formatted, so I'll show you how you can now continue installing the macOS. Okay, so choose your language. You do need good internet connection or it will most likely fail. Okay, reinstall operating system. Great. Accept the license agreement, choose your hard drive, and voila. That's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.